Experiencing issues with making or receiving calls on Straight Talk can be incredibly frustrating. Today, we'll provide a comprehensive overview of these problems and how to systematically diagnose and resolve them. Straight Talk operates as a mobile virtual network operator, or MVNO. This means they don't own their own cell towers, but instead use the network infrastructure of major carriers like Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile. Recent network infrastructure updates have created new challenges. The expansion of 5G coverage has improved speeds, but introduced compatibility issues for older devices that weren't designed for these newer networks. Voice over LTE, or VoLTE, has become mandatory for most carriers as of late 2024. This technology allows voice calls to be transmitted over the 4G LTE network, but devices must specifically support this feature. Perhaps most significantly, the complete shutdown of 3G networks has left some older Straight Talk devices completely unable to make calls, requiring immediate device upgrades for continued service. Understanding the root causes of call issues helps us prioritize our troubleshooting approach. Device-related problems account for the largest portion at 35% of all call issues. Service plan and account issues represent 25% of cases, often involving payment problems, plan restrictions, or account configuration errors. Network coverage gaps contribute to 20% of problems, particularly in rural or remote areas where signal strength may be insufficient. Finally, network compatibility problems stem from the recent infrastructure changes we discussed, affecting 15 to 20% of users, especially those with older devices. Network coverage is not uniform across all areas. This map shows the reality of cellular coverage, with red circles indicating areas where you might experience call issues due to weak signal strength or network gaps. Effective troubleshooting requires a systematic approach. We start with device-level checks, then move to service and account verification, and finally examine network-related factors. This methodical approach typically resolves 80 to 90% of call-related issues within 48 hours when properly implemented. In the next section, we'll dive deep into each of these troubleshooting steps with specific solutions you can try right now. Device-level fixes are your first line of defense against call issues. These simple steps resolve about 70% of common problems and should always be tried first. Start with the most basic fix: restart your device. This simple action clears temporary glitches and refreshes network connections, solving 40% of call issues immediately. Next, check if airplane mode is accidentally enabled. When airplane mode is on, all wireless communications are disabled, preventing calls from working. Verify that call bearing settings are disabled. Call bearing can block outgoing or incoming calls, and these settings are sometimes enabled accidentally during troubleshooting. Finally, update your carrier settings and device software. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues with network changes and new features. If device fixes don't resolve the issue, move to service and account troubleshooting. These problems account for 25% of call failures. Service and account issues are the second most common cause of call problems. These fixes have an 85% success rate when properly implemented. First, verify your service plan is active and your payment status is current. Suspended accounts cannot make or receive calls, even if the device shows signal bars. SIM card issues are extremely common. Remove and reinsert your SIM card, ensuring the contacts are clean and the card is properly sized for your device. If problems persist, test with a different SIM card if available, or contact Straight Talk to verify your SIM card is properly registered to your account. Network-level solutions address coverage and connectivity issues. These fixes have a 55% success rate and require understanding of your local network infrastructure. Network solutions focus on coverage, signal quality, and technical configuration. These are the most complex fixes, but essential for persistent issues. Start by checking coverage using the Straight Talk coverage map. Test calls from different locations to determine if the issue is location-specific or device-wide. Ensure your device supports Voice over LTE or VoLTE. This technology is now mandatory for most carriers, and older devices without VoLTE support cannot make calls. Configure your access point name settings correctly. Set your data APN to TF data and your MMS APN to .mvno. Incorrect APN settings prevent proper network communication. For persistent issues, advanced techniques include forcing specific network types like LTE or 4G, or requesting a service refresh from Straight Talk support. Prevention is key to avoiding future call issues. Regular device maintenance, timely software updates, and staying informed about local network infrastructure changes will keep your service running smoothly. This systematic approach resolves 80 to 90% of call issues within 48 hours. Start with device fixes, move to service verification, then address network configuration. When properly implemented, these solutions restore reliable call functionality.